Hello everyone, here in this video we'll discuss how to fix Photopea not working on a Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. Let me tell you that Photopea is a web-based application. So in order to use Photopea on your Chromebook, you must connect your device to the internet. So to check your network connection, simply click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon, and here simply connect your Chromebook to the internet. If you are connected to the internet and still facing the issue, then you can simply troubleshoot your network. For that, click on App Launcher icon, open Settings. Now here scroll to About Chrome OS option, and here simply select Diagnostic Tool. Now click on Connectivity, and it will run Network Troubleshooter, which will fix the network issue. After that, simply open Photopea application and try to use it. If you are still facing the issue, then you can simply clear cookies and site data. For that, click on this three-dot icon, then click on App Info. Now click on Cookies and Site Data. Now here click on Manage On-Device Site Data and delete on-device site data from photopea.com and www.photopea.com. Then click on Done. Now here click on Reload. And this should fix the issue. However, if you are still facing the issue, then you can simply change some permissions. For that, simply click on App Launcher icon, open Settings. Here click on Apps option. Now click on Manage Your Apps option, and here look for Photopea application. Simply select the application. Now here scroll down and simply turn on the toggle to enable support for all these file types. After that, open Photopea and try to use the application. However, if all this method does not work for you, then you can simply reinstall Photopea application. For that, click on Launcher icon, select Photopea application, right click on it, then click on Uninstall. Here select Also Delete Browsing Data option, then click on Uninstall and wait for the process to complete. After that, open Google Chrome browser, visit photopea.com, and here on the address bar you will find download button. Simply click on it. Now click on Install and wait for the installation process to complete. After that, the issue will be fixed. So that's it. This is how you can fix Photopea not working on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.